My name is En Nee. I have a very rare degenerative eye disease called retinitis pigmentosa, which causes my vision to deteriorate progressively. Last year, my cousin introduced me to Thermomix latest model, TM6, and it has changed my life. I use it daily because everything can be done in one machine. Weighing, chopping, sautéing, stir-frying, stewing, steaming, blending, grinding, kneading the dough, and even self-cleaning. I would recommend it to those with low vision because it is so much safer to use than cooking on the stove or on the oven. Cooking soup is now so much easier because I can just blanch the meat in the simmering basket. After that, just do a quick rinse, put back the meat, add water and ingredients, all at my own pace. My children can also play with the machine because they will experiment with things which we have never tried before, like tomato soup with coriander, all these type of things which we would never have dreamed of trying. But because it's in the Cookidoo recipes and youngsters are very digital friendly, they go in and explore, and I get to taste a lot more recipes that I would never have thought possible.